Good morning guys.
Yan o.
Mabanking oh.
Ay, ilang guys.
Okay lang. Okay, so we're back. So what we have here is Gixxer. It's it's GSX 155. It's a 155cc. Oy, walang plaka-plaka. Mga kapatid, yan. It's a 155cc. Makina stock, but then again I made some minor changes when it comes to the body feature. So first up, we have the shifter. So ang shifter na yan, ang lumang shifter niya nandito sa baba. Dito. So pinangat ko siya ng konti dito para bumangking. So matibay naman siya. Cost me about 5k. Tapos after shifter we have handlebar. It's a boomerang handlebar. Cost me 2,100 kasama na installation. And the mini R3 na muka, parang Terminator. Guwapo. Retired babaero. Uy! Delikado yun! Loko ka kuya. Alright, so 155cc single cylinder. Hindi ko alam yung horsepower niya, just check the manual and all. And also, I have my Silvestre pipe. Technically, naka-open pipe siya ngayon kasi kamote mode ako ngayon. And then, yung elbow niya, more or less 4,500. And the most important part is the wheels. The wheels, bro. What's up with the wheels? This is a Pirelli Diablo. Pirelli Diablo Rosso Sport. It's 150 by 60 yung likod ko. And then naka-mouse sprocket din ako. And yung front wheel ko is 110/70. So 110/70. So that's it. Now our lesson for today is called cornering. What's with the cornering? So para sa mga naka-Gixxer, posible po ang knee drag. Posible ang knee drag para sa naka-Gixxer basta meron kang tamang timpla sa motor mo. Mamaya I'm gonna be showing you guys the body positioning ng Gixxer if you have the settings that I have. Okay, so I'll be right back. Mamaya na muna tayo. Okay, so tuturo ko sa inyo ngayon the proper body positioning for Gixxer GSX 155. So first, kailangan yung kita nyo nakaklat sa tangke para maski mag-free-wheel ka or mag-no hands ka, hindi siya uuga. Okay? And then the next one is the body positioning. We have 4 categories. Make it 3. 4 kasama mo knee down. The first one is lean. What's lean? Maglilin ka ng ganyan. Second is lean with. Didiin mo na. The third is hang on. Hang on meaning nakaganyan ka na. So you're basically hanging off your motorcycle. The main purpose of this hita na naka-clamp sa tangke natin is for our grip. So maski kumanyan ako, hindi ako mahuhulog. Plus, ito yung safety nyo. Ito yung safety nyo. So maski nakaganyan ka, that's called hanging off. Right? Nakikita yung knee pads dito. Magagasgasan nga lang to. Kumarte kasi motor nyo, umiyak na lang kayo. So nakaganyan kayo, no? That's called hang off. And then the last one is the knee drag. So what's the knee drag? What's the knee drag? Knee drag is basically putting your knee to the ground. So ang body positioning niyan, para ka lang naka-hang off, pero i-extend nyo na siya ng sobra. Pag na-extend nyo siya ng sobra, then eventually may hit ng knee nyo yung ground. So we have a couple of categories here for you guys to think. First one is the right speed. You should have the right speed when you hit that corner. Sa Gixxer 150 stock na makina, I would say 80 kilometers per hour. So 80 kilometers per hour, kailangan entry speed nyo. And then maglilin, hang on, lean hang on hanggang knee drag na kayo. So, and then you should have the right gear. 80 kilometers per hour, I'm on my third gear. Naka half throttle ako nun. Kasi pag piniga ko yung motor, yung cylinder ko, yung throttle ko, eventually yung motor aangat na ganun. So that's a tip. Overshoot. Okay, alam ko medyo magulo ako mag-explain. So I'm just gonna show it off to you guys. So this is what you call the Devil's Corner or DC. One of the most dangerous place here sa Marilake. Kasi it's a kamote country. Correct me if I'm wrong. Tama!
Yes!
Tama. It's a kamote country. It's a Devil's Corner itself. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Alright? So what up guys? So that's actually Oy, bossing, kamusta? Boss, Danmakay pala, Danmakay. So that actually concludes my vlog when it comes to cornering. I hope you guys like it. I hope that you've learned a lot, body positioning and shit, So yun lang, Kamote Country, Marilake, DC Gaming. DC Gaming, may babangking, tingnan mo. May babangking. Whoop! Oy! Yun. Sa mga kamote. Shoutout sa mga kaibigan natin. Shoutout sa mga kaibigan natin. So yun lang. So probably that will conclude it, If you have any questions, concerns, violent reactions, please feel free to comment down below. Hit the subscribe button and the bell motherfucking sign, bitches. It's Don McCoy. I'm gonna sign off right now. Chill.